Hello. Now, the word al fresco means dining out in fresh air. And I think that is a perfect thing to do when the weather is working to your favor. Now, restaurants in our neighborhood, guys, they are really trying to draw us in. They got fire pits, large heaters, everything, because people still want to get out of the house. Yes, cabin fever. Now, I can only go to the restaurants so many times to have that experience because that's going to really tap into the budget. So I decided to create my very own Winter Al Fresco experience on our small patio. Now, it's not totally open air. Yes, it is closed in, but guess what? When I'm enjoying it, I am having a whole vibe out there and I'm loving it. When I exposed the area to my husband about 8 o'clock that night and the lights were all on, you won't believe his face. He just stood there for a few seconds and he said, "This is beautiful." So I'm going to show you how to create your very own Winter Al Fresco experience at home for $0. Let's go to work. Oh no, this video is not about taking your Christmas decorations down and putting them away all nice and neat. It is about Winter Al Fresco dining, and I absolutely love the idea. I have Christmas decorations on the front porch, and I also had them on the patio. But during the course of packing everything up, I was inspired by what the restaurants are doing. They're leaving up the greenery and letting the light sparkle and giving you a whole vibe, a whole atmosphere, a whole ambiance that you too can create at home if you desire to do so. So I added the items that were on the front porch to our patio. I already had these nice portable tables that I purchased from Sam's Club a couple of years ago. We're always out there eating or just out there talking. So I always need the two tables, and they're small and compact enough for this very, very small space. So I decided to put those guys to use as well. Now, this is a space that I had closed in earlier in spring 2024 while my husband was out of town working. I had the gentleman to come in, take the measurements, and while he was away, come and do the installation. And guess what? When he came back, he was totally floored and so amazed that he could take his time enjoying the space as much as he wanted all year long. And guess what? We didn't have to worry about dust or pollen or anything like that, constantly having to clean. Yes, I still go out there with the vacuum cleaner and dust things, but I absolutely love the addition of the vinyl panels. So let's get back to these tables. Again, got those from Sam's Club. So durable, so durable. And look how easy they open. They are supposed to have a lifetime warranty, by the way. Yeah, so far so good. We'll just have to see about that. Anyway, I've got two of them here and I put them side by side. And yeah, they're a little off on the sides, but that's okay. I grabbed a couple of candles from inside the house. I also have some of the remote control candles as well. The other thing I added was fairy lights to this floral arrangement that is hanging on the wall. And you remember this from the front porch. I pulled some of that greenery out and I used it to create a centerpiece for the table. You see, I was actually going to have a real candle on the table. I made a mess on the tablecloth. And I decided to just take and recycle that piece that I used in the kitchen on that rack where I have my cups, and to do a quick little centerpiece. Look at that, just recycling that old foam and taking advantage of that candle, doing an indentation here for my marking here. Gonna take a knife and then carve out a little hole, and then I'm gonna insert my battery operated candle. What a really quick and recycled DIY. Absolutely loved it. Again, recycling things from Christmas. Yeah, I would have loved to have some beautiful roses added to this, but you know what? I didn't want to go to the store, and I just went ahead and added in those berries from this arrangement, and it was absolutely perfect. So recycling, even the china from the dining room, and took it straight out to the patio. Same exact setup. Listen, China can be taken absolutely anywhere. And look at that. Look at that. We are now dining Winter Al Fresco outside on the patio. Absolutely love this. And I can't wait to pull out those red berries and then add in some roses in the little capsule containers to keep them moist. This is just beautiful. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So guys, I want you to know you don't have to tuck everything away and see it 6 or 8 months later whenever you start to decorate. You can do something on your patio or your outdoor living space, however it may be. Now, to heat or cool this space, all we have to do is open the back door for about 10 minutes. The fireplaces are going, or the AC, and this space is comfortable all year long. I absolutely love it. We are so blessed, guys. Well, that's it for me, guys. I hope you will like, comment, share, and most importantly, subscribe to this channel. Thanks a lot for watching. And as always, stay in prayer and stay creative.